All right, so. And so what'd you bring out here today?
I got a 1973 Targa. It's a T, but it was built to an RS. So it has RS flares, an RS engine. Well, they built it to a 2.7 RS spec, so it's not a true RS, but it's trying to be. So yeah, it was rebuilt, ground, bare metal restoration back in 2006, and it's changed hands a few times, several times through Auto Kennel with Paul, and most recently the guy that bought it from him sold it to me. So yeah, so it's been around the block when it comes to the SoCal Porsche scene, which has been pretty cool. I'm just owning it for like 3 months now. Yeah. So yeah, fun little car.
So you didn't have it last time I saw you?
Probably not. No, probably not. No.
And do you know the name of that color?
It's called, well, it's either Oxford or Dalmatian Blue. It's an interchangeable name. So actually on the COA it says Dalmatian, and in parentheses it says Oxford.
Very nice.
Yeah. A lot of time it gets mistaken for a lot of different blues, but it's a blue. Yeah, it's a Porsche blue. So
you have great taste in your colors. Your other one, the gold one, I love that one too.
Which gold? I think you got me mixed up with somebody.
No. You have the Widowmaker, no?
Yeah. So yeah, the gold one. So that's
not gold.
It's linen gray inside. It's a linen gray. So it's like a gray. It's like you kept saying gold. I'm like, did I have a gold car? I don't remember having a gold car.
Well, the headlights are like yellow goldish
so
too.
The last time you saw that car, it had amber headlights, the yellow amberish headlights, and it had gold Epsilon wheels on it. So yeah,
that's where I got the gold from.
Yeah.
The gold accented car. All right.
Yeah. So but in the sun it looks like that really light, champagne color. But
yeah, absolutely beautiful color.
I still have that.
Nice.
Yeah, I still have that. And actually, I saw pictures. I since have put the original wheels up back on that car and took off the yellow lenses. So I took it to Monterey for the Works reunion up there. So I wanted to be kind of back to original spec as close as possible for that show, thinking maybe I'd grab a place or something. No, so. And I've just been too lazy to put everything back on it. But now I saw pictures of it. Royce, one of the photographers here, did a photo book, and I saw pictures of it. And I was like, I gotta put it back.
Looks good.
Yeah,
Looks good.
I like it. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna work on that when I get it back. It's going to the shop next week.
Okay.
Yeah, just minor stuff, but when it gets back, I'll probably put it all back to the way it was. Yeah, have it back out.
Time to get some repairs. Even timeless beauties need care.
Did you go up there with Andreas? Speaking of Andreas, the man himself.
Yeah. Mr. Hangover today.
Morning.
Hey man, your car's all right?
Yeah, you heard about it?
Yeah. Well, everybody's heard about it.
Really? You told him? What's up?
Stumbling.
Oh, we're recording?
Yeah.
How are you, brother?
Everything's good though?
Yeah, who told you, Dre? Oh yeah, I just
You ran into a wall.
You ran into a wall? Leaving a party.
Well, that's one way to announce my arrival.
Only you could turn a car into a surreal sculpture.
Yeah.
And where can people see your car if they want to online?
Instagram mostly under TJ_motoring. Motoring, yeah. TJ Motoring.
Very cool.
Yeah, that's where I put all my car stuff. It's only car stuff. You don't even see people. Just the cars.
If you love Porsches and amazing colors and color combinations, go see TJ's Instagram.
Thank you,
brother.
Appreciate it. Yeah.